ये है SharePoint के focus areas, experience, modern collaboration, personal insights, and file storage and collaboration. And if we'll explain user experience, improve mobile access. You can use your internet website on your mobile as well, right? It will integrate Office 365. You can integrate all your applications with SharePoint website. You can customize the tile, like example Yammer or Teams. And document share and collaboration. You can share your documents. You can share your library, right? Third was in infrastructure. Handle more data, more efficient and less cost. There is no more cost because it's a less cost, more efficient. Your data in a structured way. So it is easy to find all the documentation in future if all the data is in structure. It's flexible deployment. So there is no if in future I'll go to find any documents, it will easy to me to find any document because all the deployments or all the proper site is maintained by all the in a flexible way. Third one is compliance, new feature and capabilities, and it will, if we talk about in 2013, so there are some less features, but in 2016 we have more features, and I will show you later what are the difference between 2013 and 16. Cloud inspired infrastructure, scalable, cloud connected, flexible. If we talk about scalable, lower IT cost and scalable collaboration platform. So the cost is lower, right? Flexible, it is easy to use, easy to deploy. It is in the cloud, so your all data is on the cloud. You can access anywhere, anytime. Cloud connectivity, natural experience application to the cloud and integrated hybrid solution. So you can, if you are using 2013 SharePoint, right, you can migrate to 2013. If you are using 2010 SharePoint, so it is little bit difficult to migrate to 2010-2016. So because there is a gap between 2013.